Hello, dear students. We're going to see on this video how the repeat sentence works here in Karel. It's important always to keep in mind that we are working with algorithm thinking. So that's why we need to start our program at this point and close it at another point. In this case, we're using square brackets to open and a square bracket to open and a square bracket to end. This is for the main program, but I'm just pressed enter to make some space here. The repeat sentence requires these basic elements. The word repeat, open and close parentheses, and open some actions for this repeat with a square bracket opening and a square bracket closing. That means, why do we have this here? Inside the square brackets, the movements or turns, everything we need to Karel does. For example, at this moment I'm going to put a move, open and close parentheses, semicolon. And inside the parentheses I'm going to put how many times do we need that repeated. The thing that we have inside the square brackets. So at this moment, Karel is going to move 14 times. Let's see. Run the program. Okay. Additionally, I want to put like a path of beepers. So I'm going to write it. Put beeper, being capital letter, beeper, parenthesis, semicolon. Okay. And you got it. You got it 14 times. It's okay. You can make some space here if you want to. It's just to organize visually all the programming that you have here. Maybe at home you need at home or in the school you need to organize it in a specific way so you can understand yourself what are you doing. Okay. At the end of this repeat sentence, maybe we need to make Karel turns to the left. So look at this. Okay. At this moment, I think Karel is ready to keep working on the next size of this square. We just complete the first one, but we need to complete 4 more. Yeah, you maybe can use this same phrase or you can use it again, write it again. Yes, of course, 4 times to complete all the board. It's an option, but I'm going to show you another option. Maybe it's to use look at this about the space. If I move this a little bit, I want actually organize this repeat of 14 between another repeat of 4 because I need to complete all the board. I'm going to show you. Repeat, open and close parentheses, and open with a square bracket here. Going to close it here. If you open one repeat, you need to close it. It's not going to work if you didn't finish it. So this repeat opens here and closes here. How many repeats? 4, because I need this line to be repeated 4 times in order to complete all the board. Okay, so run the program. 1, 2, 3, 4 for all the sides, and 14 for all the for every size. For every side of the square. Okay, this is important. Right now I'm going to make Karel moves for the next position so we can fill the inner square, the next inner square. So move, maybe I want to make, I need to make him turn to the left. I need maybe another move. You can make it in just one line. The important thing is that you need to check visually. Always have all your programming under control so you can see what are you doing, and maybe if you see one mistake or one error, actually the word is error, you can check where is it. Move, turn left, move. I need a turn right now here. Turn right, open and close parentheses, semicolon. So look at this. Running the program, 1 side, 2, 3, 4 sides. Okay, and right now Karel is right now here ready to complete the next inner square. So don't forget that you need to make space for this last semicolon because it's for the main. So you can start to create the next repeat sentence here, but in this case, dear students, you don't need 14. If you count here this line, you don't need 14, you need 12. Okay, let's check it out. Running the program, 14, go to the next inner square. Okay, Karel is already here. When you write this, you need to put Karel on the next corner, and you are going to write the next line. Okay. Look at this. I try to organize this sentence here so you can check. Okay, this is for the next square, for the second, the third. In this case, you need 12. You need 10. Let's do it. Okay, first square, second square, third square, filling 10 beepers in all the line for every side. Okay, this is just an example. I want you check what happens when an error is committed. So I'm going to delete this square bracket here in the line 12, and Karel is telling us always what is the error. Okay, in this case, you need to check it out. Sometimes it's for the square bracket, sometimes it's for the parentheses, and you are going to close it again. Okay, visually organize your movements. Okay, let's check it out here. Maybe if you delete one of these parentheses, okay, look at this. You need to check it out. Sometimes it happens, for example here, I delete just the main square bracket. So look at this. You see errors here. And it's important to start to check where is the error. Okay, it's important. Okay, and of course we are using a mathematical logic here. Our goal, clearly in an algorithm thinking, is to reach all the board. That is an exercise that we did. We are going to use in class another kind of repeat sentences, but this is the example for you today. Of course, if you have any question, if you need to check specific things here, in class you can always count on me, or you can check for me on the teacher lounge. Okay, and we can work together in order to understand how to use the repeat sentences in Karel the Robot. Okay, have a nice day, all of you, and if you need me, I'm here.